What's up guys, it's me Steve WB, and today we are taking the Feiyutech G6 Plus outside and we're going to test it with 4 different cameras. And those 4 cameras are going to be the Lumix G7, the GoPro Hero 5 Black, the Nikon 1 J3, and it's going to be the Osmo Pocket with the Z-axis stabilizer on it, just for fun. So let's grab all the cameras, let's grab the gimbal, and let's get outside and do some quick tests. Okay, this is the Panasonic Lumix G7. Just a normal walk across the yard, handheld, no gimbal stabilizer, and this is a jog. Okay, this is the Panasonic Lumix G7 on the G6 at a normal walk across the yard, and then this is a jog. Okay, this is a GoPro Hero 5 Black, normal walk across the yard, handheld, and this is a jog, handheld. Okay, so we're outside now, and this is the GoPro Hero 5 Black on the Feiyutech G6 stabilizer, and it's just a normal walk across the yard, jog. Okay, so this is the Nikon 1 J3 handheld walking across the yard, and now we're going to do a jog handheld. Okay, this is the Nikon 1 that still shoots some really good 1080p. I've vlogged with this camera before, but it has 0 stabilization in the camera that I know of, and if it is there, it's not very good. So this is me walking across the yard, and now this is a jog. We're back from the test, and as you can tell from the footage that I've just showed you, that the Nikon 1 and the GoPro Hero 5 Black both look probably the best and the most smooth, and that's because I believe both those cameras actually do have stabilization built in. The Osmo Pocket, it pretty much looked the same whether it was on the gimbal or on the 4th axis, and it even looked almost the same even without the 4th axis. So I mean, there's no point putting a gimbal on that. That was just for fun anyway. The one I was most disappointed in was the G7, because I really bought that for the G7 so I could shoot me some really smooth footage with the G7, and it seemed to have a little jitter in my step. And granted, I can walk smoother, but I also think it might have something to do with the setup, like maybe it wasn't properly balanced. So what I'm going to try to do is rebalance and do another test and try to make it better. But anyway, I hope this gives you a good example of what this gimbal is capable of doing. If you decide that you want one, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below so you can go check it out on Amazon. If you like this video, like it. If you have something to say, give me a comment. And with that being said, I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.